In this video, I am going to show you a step-by-step pattern for making this beautiful sunflower appliques. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to DIY Crafts. For this, I am using 4-ply cotton yarn along with a crochet hook of size 3 mm. However, you can use acrylic yarn also. So first begin with a magic ring, then make chain 3. Consider this chain 3 as the first double crochet in your row 1, and then continue to make double crochet stitches into the center. That's the second one, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then the 12th one. So we'll have chain 3 and 11 double crochet stitches, which gives a total of 12 double crochet stitches. Now close the magic ring, and on the top of the third chain of the first chain 3, make a slip stitch. Now this completes the first row with 12 double crochet stitches. And now let's change the color to make the petals for the sunflower. Now this is one way of changing the yarn. Grab the new color yarn through the previous loop and then pull the brown thread from the back side so that the new color locks in. Then make chain 1 in the first stitch. Now into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet stitch. Now insert the needle into the next stitch and then make the first double crochet stitch. Now into the same stitch, make 1 triple crochet stitch. Then make chain 2. Now put the needle back into the triple stitch and make a picot stitch. The slip stitch over the triple stitch, which will give a picot stitch. Now again into the same stitch, make 1 more triple crochet stitch and then 1 double crochet stitch into the same stitch. So this will give you the first petal of the sunflower. Now over the next stitch, make 1 slip stitch. So this is how the petal looks like. Now for the next petal, again begin with chain 1 and into the next stitch, make 1 double stitch, 1 triple stitch and then make chain 2. Now put the needle back into the triple crochet stitch and then make a slip stitch to form a picot stitch. Then make 1 triple crochet stitch and 1 double crochet stitch all into the same stitch. And then make a slip stitch into the next stitch, and this completes your second petal. Likewise, continue to make the petals all around, and here we are making the last petal. So chain 1 and into the last stitch, make the petal pattern 1 double stitch, 1 triple stitch and then make chain 2. Now make a slip stitch over the triple crochet stitch to make a chain 2 picot stitch. Then make 1 triple crochet stitch followed by 1 double crochet stitch into the same stitch. And then make the last slip stitch over the slip stitch of the previous row. So it's a little bit difficult to insert the needle over a slip stitch, but if you find the stitch properly, it's very easy to do. Then make chain 1 and this completes the flower pattern. Now trim the excess threads and adjust the stitches by gently pulling up the picot stitches. Now using the tapestry needle, weave in all the ends and then trim the excess thread. And that's it. Your beautiful sunflower applique is now ready. You can use it as a hair tie, decorate your crochet projects like handbags, beanies and etc. I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial. Do give this pattern a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. See you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to DIY Crafts.